Hey guys, welcome to 3 Margaritas in Keto Cooking Beyond the Shaker with Alan and Dyer, and I'm Alan.
And Dyer.
And today, we're sticking with that nostalgia trend. I'm not happy that they call this recipe retro, because I cook it all the time. And come for me, tell me I'm retro.
It's a staple in the South.
It is. We're gonna make for you the keto version of the Southern tomato pie. I had to say it Southern, pie. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make our 1.5 cups of almond flour in the burl. Why is there always so much over? Every time I do anything.
This is half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese.
I have 1 egg. I'm fitting to crack her in here.
This is half a teaspoon of garlic powder.
I know what you're saying, Alan. If you're making a pie crust, you need salt. No, we don't. The grated Parmesan is salty enough, I can tell you. I'm going to kind of fold this in, mix it up a little bit until it forms a dough for us, okay?
I ain't gonna do it with my hands.
I don't have my little baking dish. We put a lot of stuff in the crawl space. It's fine. This will go in the oven. So I've put olive oil in here so it won't stick, okay? So I'm taking my dough and I'm just gonna press it, guys. The dough comes up on your hands, guys. Just spray a little bit of olive oil, guys. It's no big deal. You can fix it. I think that's good. Let me wash my hands real quick. All right, so our oven has been preheated to 350 degrees.
So now we're gonna take this to the oven for 10 to 12 minutes, okay?
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make our pie filling. We're gonna take half of this cheese. It's better at proportions. I have tismatisms. This is cheddar and mozzarella. A cup of cheddar cheese grated and half a cup of shredded mozzarella, okay? 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Dukes, please. After that, guys, I'm sorry, we're gonna add this.
So this right here is 1/4 cup of chopped basil.
Then I have 2 green onions here that I've sliced up a little bit, okay? Now what are we gonna do? We're gonna mix. All right, guys, so I've cut up 2 beefsteak tomatoes. I salted them. I let them sit here to drain the moisture out a little bit. Then I patted them dry with a paper towel. They've been over there for an hour. Don't judge me, just do it for 15 minutes, okay? My old tomato pie took over my brain. This is our golden pie crust, guys. I left 3 tablespoons of melted butter sitting out here that I did not put in the crust. I left half of the cheese out because I thought we were gonna sprinkle the top with cheese. That's how I make my tomato pies. It called for all this in cheese mixer, so we just put all the cheese and the mayonnaise and the stuff in there, okay? Sorry about it. We're gonna take these tomatoes that have been dried, half of them, and we're just gonna layer. Looks good, looks even. So now, this is gonna have the layers. Tomatoes, cheese filling, tomatoes. Again, just layer them. And usually when I do my tomato pie, which I'm not down on this one, I've not tasted it yet, I cut mine into little bitty chunks. But that's me, that's okay. It's okay. It already smells good, it's not even cooking. You did a great job. That's really hot. That's so hot. It just came out of the oven. So we're gonna go back into the oven for about 25 minutes until this is gold and bubbly. Listen, I don't know if mayonnaise is going golden in the thing. Do you?
Let's see. If worst case scenario, we use broil.
Exactly. He knows me.
Well, guys, this is what we're looking for.
Not eating a tomato pie white like this. I'm excited to dive into it.
Looks really good.
And look, and it smells beautiful. So this recipe has 310 calories per 6 slices. It also has 4 net carbs per slice. We got to do a shout out.
Shout out, Papa.
I know, I don't know. Shout out. I forgot myself for a minute. Nichelle. Girl, you know we love you.
From North Carolina to Arizona.
Absolutely.
We love.
And if you don't feel our love, then we're not loving hard enough. Thank you for being a part of our family. We absolutely adore you. And never, ever, ever, ever forget, guys, we love y'all.
We got the carbs, not the flavor.